I got her. This box has seen better days. We tried to open it while we were on our trip to the Pacific Northwest, and then we ended up never getting a chance to use it, and then it slid around a little bit. So we're hoping that everything is still in working order. Oh my god, there's a dead moth in it.
What? I don't like it.
It's okay, it's dead.
There's two.
Help.
Oh, look how cute she is.
She's dead.
No, I'm talking about the drone.
Oh, I feel bad.
Ooh, little wings.
Those are the things I was worried got like crushed while we were driving because we were not driving smoothly. We were kind of like just praying that everything would be okay after our crazy driving.
We don't know what we're
After
doing.
Kai's crazy driving.
What?
Nothing.
What?
She can't be broken. There we go.
This is not
I don't know if
English.
that's on correctly.
Oh, quick start guide. Okay, I found it. 1. Oh my god, we need a nap. DJI Fly.
Should we name her? She is really cute.
Yes! Any ideas?
Hang on, it has to be something relating. What if it was Tangerine because the bus is Clementine?
That's so cute. I like that.
So we'll have to charge it for a little bit before we actually fly it. The wings look so delicate, I'm afraid. Okay, there we go. Cover. Hold the battery release button. Well, they make it sound so freaking easy, don't they? It says to release the battery, but this says you can just like plug it in, right?
I don't know. Kai,
Yeah.
help. I don't understand.
Tangerine. Or we can also do like Cutie is a short from.
Oh,
of-
Cutie.
This is Cutie. Cutie and Clementine.
That is so cute.
Oh my god.
She is so
I
cute.
feel like she's a little bug pet that we have. Like, I don't feel like she's a machine. I feel like she's a little, like a little
Little
person.
friend.
A little friend.
Oh my god, it looks like a shark.
Do you see it?
I'm confused. Did it not come with the cables?
Maybe under it?
That's what I'm trying to check, but it's like built in.
Oh no, were there cables? And they flew out.
Oh, wait.
She's just a baby. Beautiful.
Just.
Okay, so should I go plug this in the bus?
Yeah.
Let her charge for a little bit? We'll do that.
Okay.
Oh, look how cool the remote looks.
Speed.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
We're back. She's charged. Which
Woo,
app?
it's chilly now.
I know. Took like, what, half an hour for it to charge and it's already freezing.
DJI Fly.
DJI Fly?
Take out and install control sticks.
Yes, control sticks.
Press and hold again to power on.
That's so fun.
Connect mobile device to remote controller using RC cable.
We have the RC cable.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, so it goes from the phone through this hole up here. So this is what it is.
Okay, so we...
You plug this in here. What's the gimbal protector?
Oh.
So we didn't break it. It's supposed to come off. That's such good news. Oh my gosh. I love the tutorial. This is so nice.
I know.
Okay, it's this
So
one.
one click and then hold, just like the other guy.
It's gonna make a noise. It's twitching. She's so cute.
so fun.
It's just a little guy.
You can do it.
Do you see it? It's moving. You are so cute.
Ooh, it's so chilly.
Okay, so I think that when we're actually ready to fly, we should move the camera over there and
Activated.
stand. You need to be really careful not to crash her into trees because she's just a little baby.
It says go fly.
And here's the baby. Look at the camera moves to keep it stable.
All right. I'm ready.
Perform a safety check before you fly.
This is the rear because the camera's the front. So if it's in front of you, you're going to want to angle it like this so that the signal antenna is connected to the DJI.
Oh, okay.
And then if it's directly above us, you're going to want to hold it like this.
Oh.
So you basically just want to try to have a flat side facing the drone. What if it runs into us?
Look how good quality it is.
This is so cool. Hi, little guy. Are you ready for takeoff?
Maybe. What do I do? Oh, no, an SD card.
Can we borrow the one for your camera?
I think it's a small.
Let it be known that we're trying to fly this thing and we have absolutely no prior experience on how to fly it. We don't know what we're doing at all.
Learn how to take off.
Are you ready?
Oh god.
I'm so
Oh god,
scared.
yes, do it.
Oh, I have to press it.
Wait, we don't know what the controls are. We don't know.
I don't know how to use it. Kai! Kai, help!
Can I see it?
Ew, I feel like it has a mind and soul.
This is up and down. Oh, this is up and down. Up. It's so windy. Okay.
I got really scared. Because I didn't look at how to control it before I turned it on, so it was in the air, and I was just like, how do I control it? Look! He's so cute! Ascend 1 meter. Oh, it's teaching me how. Okay. Ascend 1 meter. Okay, descend 1 meter. I don't know what a meter is. It's 3 feet. Okay. That looks like 3 feet to me. I feel the need to whack it. Don't! You see me? Yes! Ah! Can I go over and jump with Vanessa? Look at it just floating there like it's so big! It's just a little guy. Wait, can it like angle? I don't know how to change the camera angle while it's flying.
Fly forward.
Okay. Wait, shoot, how do I do that?
Should be the left stick, shouldn't it?
Fly backward.
It's moving.
I'm so afraid to catch it. I know.
Landing.
Oh, no! It's landing! It's okay, I got it. It's landing. He's really cute. You can see Vanessa in the picture. Oh, it's looking at me? Yeah. Good job, buddy. You did amazing. He's so cute. He's like a little toad. Cutie. So cute. You want to try?
Take off.
That was terrifying. Wait, Kai, can you fix the type of bus and we climb on top of the bus?
Oh, that's cute.
It's still cool though. How fun.
Oh, Kai. Should I try catching it? Oh, that's like loud.
It's gonna look at us. More.
Oh, that's so fun.
Oh, it's adorable.
Wow.
Oh my god, look how cute she is. Oh my gosh. This is fun. It might be hard to hear me because this is buzzing pretty loud. There it is. But when we opened up the app, it came with an entire tutorial on how to fly the drone and how to properly set it up to make sure that we were having like safe flying precautions. So it's super user-friendly and the controls are really easy to use. Oh, please don't run into anything. Oh, be careful, be careful.
Try and catch it.
No, stop playing catch with my drone.
Try to catch it. No.
It doesn't like to be touched. She doesn't like to be touched. She has boundaries. She doesn't like that. Vanessa found out how to do donuts. Oh my god.
Donuts.
Don't get it close to the tree.
Okay, I stopped. There we go. How do you do the angle thing? You just did it. I saw the camera move. Oh. Okay. Land.
Landing.
I caught her. Good job.
Fun.
Oh, she was so cute. I can't handle it.
Did you see the camera? It was like, what'd you say about me? I'm so surprised these little tiny things can lift up this little guy. She's in sleeping mode. We're back. That was really fun. It's super user friendly. The app has an entire tutorial on how to use it while you're setting it up to make sure that you're doing everything the right way. It's super responsive to the controls. It stops exactly when we ask it to. It stays in the same spot in the air. It's not windy at all today, but it's supposed to have like wind resistance to be able to stay in one spot. But yeah, this was, I think, $3.99 on Amazon, which is a bit pricey. But we looked up a bunch of videos beforehand and everybody said that if you spend anything less than $300 on a drone, you're not getting anything that's very good quality. And this seems to be very good quality. And
Extra for if they break.
oh, beautiful. Oh, and then these fold so that they're like on top of each other stacked. Wow, how handy is that? We don't know what we're doing. We don't know anything about electronics, but so if you're like us and you just wanted like a fun floating camera, get one.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye. Say bye to Cutie.